Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh, working as Customer Success Manager for ARC Advisory Group India. In this session, I'll be joining once again with Mr. Hemanth to discuss on his second published study, which is wind turbine control systems. As mentioned in the previous videos, we will cover the context like scope of the study, supply landscape, key factors, strategies, etc. So let's not waste any time and welcome Hemanth to join the session. Hello Hemanth,
Hi, Saurabh. Hello, everyone.
congrats on your second publication.
Thank you.
So, Hemant, regarding the study in turbine control system, what is the scope of this report?
Thank you, Saurabh. This question will give a good understanding of the report to everyone. Let me try answering it briefly. Wind turbine control systems can reduce the load on wind turbine components while capturing more wind energy and converting it into electricity. The wind turbine control study covers hardware, software, and services for wind turbine control systems. Hardware comprises the main controller system to control the overall operation of wind turbines, the condition monitoring system, power converter system, pitch control system, and yaw control systems. Software includes application software and engineering software. This study also includes services related to the control systems like installation and maintenance services rendered by suppliers of the hardware mentioned previously. Control systems are essential for the reliable, efficient, and safe functioning of wind turbines. That is the brief scope of the study.
Thank you, Hemant, for explaining the scope. My next question will be, what is the supplier landscape for this market?
Top suppliers offer a broad range of turbine control components and solutions. Some of the top suppliers include ABB, Team, General Electric, Converter Tech, etc. These suppliers are at the forefront of delivering control systems that enhance the performance, efficiency, and reliability of wind turbines. With a deep understanding of the industry's evolving needs, these market leaders offer a range of innovative solutions and technologies. That is a brief landscape of suppliers.
Thank you, Hemant. Good to hear about the leading suppliers for this market. My next question is, what are the key growth factors which you recommend?
Okay, I often receive this question, and it's important to note that the answer can change frequently. Right now, retrofitting the existing wind turbines is a key factor to consider among many others. When a wind turbine fails post warranty, research has shown that 21% can be attributed to the failure of control systems that were unable to endure a harsh environment for extended periods of time. This downtime is further compounded by the increasing difficulty of obtaining replacement components for outdated systems. So, this factor must be considered and pre planned by the suppliers to grow rapidly. Some of the other additional contributing factors are the global shift towards sustainable energy and the reduced water consumption in wind energy production compared to coal, natural gas, and nuclear power plants. These are some of the growth factors.
Thank you, Hemant, for explaining the growth factors. Just like two sides of a coin, if there are growth factors and I'm expecting there will be some inhibiting factors too. Can you go through the same?
Yeah, thank you, sir, for acknowledging the importance of inhibitors in our discussion. The need for continuous technology development is indeed a crucial factor that significantly impacts the field. In this market, major wind turbine manufacturers typically develop their own control systems, leaving small suppliers to compete. To succeed, wind turbine control suppliers must deliver superior products that outperform what wind turbine manufacturers can make in-house. That is one of the main factors to remember.
Thank you, Hemant, for covering both the factors. In your view, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of the system?
A critical consideration for wind farm control system buyers is ensuring the utmost safety of their wind farms. Wind turbine control system market is adopting various control strategies to boost wind farm performance. Remote monitoring has become increasingly mainstream to improve turbine performance. Cutting edge diagnostics and predictive maintenance tools are leveraging the advantages of the integration of advanced wind turbine control systems to maximize energy production and improve the safety of wind farms. Some of the further strategies will focus on selecting suppliers possessing a global supply network and who are aligned with digitalization. That's about the strategies.
Thank you for coming with the strategy for the bioenergy system. Any other key trends or points that you would like to share with the audience?
Yeah, while the answer to this question may vary over time, the most crucial current trend to pay attention to right now is that digital wind farm solutions are increasing rapidly. Digital wind farm solutions are a virtual model which assesses the wind resource of the site at the farm and at the unit level with the help of intelligent software algorithms and enhanced aerodynamic options. It also creates a simulated model of the farm. Some of the other noteworthy trends to focus on includes uses of split and modular blades and the direct drive technology.
Thank you, Hemanth. As you are concluding, my last question will be on behalf of the audience. How can buyers as in the suppliers, asset owners, or service provider will be benefited by this study, wind turbine control system?
There are numerous benefits to subscribing this report, and while it's challenging to cover them all, here are some key advantages. The ARC Group report offers several advantages for buyers, such as precise data and forecasts. It provides a compact analysis of the wind turbine control systems market, covering aspects like market size, growth, and influential trends. It identifies key global suppliers and discusses strategy points. Additionally, the report provides valuable market insights to assist suppliers and end users in making informed decisions in this rapidly changing market. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, Hemanth, and thank you so much for answering all the queries on the study wind turbine control system. This will help our customer to clear their view of the study. And if you need for further information, I request our audience to please visit our website, www.arcweb.com. Also, you can fill in the contact info form from our website to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Hemanth, and thanks to the audience for watching the video.
Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you, audience.
If you like what you saw in this video and want more informative content, be sure to like, comment, and hit the notification bell below. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, folks. We really appreciate the time, and we'll see you in the next video.